The sun, our celestial vitamin D factory, is also the sneaky culprit behind one of our most stubborn skin woes, tanning. While we love soaking up the golden rays, the aftermath can often leave us resembling toasted marshmallows. The good news? You don't have to live with unwanted tans forever. With natural remedies, you can bid farewell to uneven skin tones and embrace a rejuvenated, radiant complexion. Let's dive into the top 10 remedies to remove suntan. Number 10. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera isn't just a plant. It's nature's pharmacy rolled into one. Known for its soothing and healing properties, aloe vera works wonders on sun-damaged skin. Packed with vitamins A, C, and E, this gel has antioxidant properties that repair skin and prevent further damage. The aloeing compound in aloe vera is the magic ingredient that helps reduce pigmentation and lighten tans over time. When applied, aloe vera acts as a coolant, soothing inflamed or sunburned skin. Its hydrating properties penetrate deep into the layers of your skin, leaving it soft, supple, and visibly lighter with consistent use. If you're dealing with severe tanning, opt for freshly extracted aloe vera gel rather than store-bought versions that may contain additives. Apply it overnight for best results and rinse it off in the morning. Number 9. Lemon juice. If you could bottle sunshine, it would taste like lemon juice. But when it comes to your skin, lemon juice does more than add zest. It's a powerhouse for lightening tans. Rich in citric acid and vitamin C, lemons exfoliate your skin, slowing away dead cells while reducing melanin production. The result? A brighter, more even complexion. However, lemon juice is not without its quirks. It's highly acidic, which means applying it directly can cause irritation. Always dilute it with water to create a milder solution. Once applied, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Never expose your skin to sunlight after applying lemon juice, as it can cause photosensitivity and worsen your tan. Follow up with sunscreen to keep your skin protected. Number 8. Yogurt and turmeric mask. Turmeric has been a staple in Indian households for centuries, not just as a spice, but as a skin savior. When combined with yogurt, this golden dew forms a potent mask that works wonders on tan skin. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates dead skin cells, while turmeric's active compound, curcumin, reduces pigmentation and enhances your natural glow. The creamy texture of yogurt cools your skin and prevents dryness, a common aftereffect of sun exposure. Turmeric, meanwhile, adds a touch of radiance while combating inflammation and redness. Mix 2 tablespoons of yogurt with half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Apply it generously to your face, arms, or anywhere else you've been kissed by the sun. Let it sit for 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Number 7. Cucumber juice. Cucumber isn't just for refreshing salads, it's a blessing for sunburned, tan skin. With its high water content, over 90%, cucumber juice hydrates and cools your skin like no other remedy. It's also rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and caffeic acid, which repair UV damage and reduce pigmentation. The best part? It's incredibly gentle, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Regular application not only lightens your tan, but also gives your skin a natural, dewy glow. Grate a cucumber, squeeze out the juice, and refrigerate it for a few minutes. Apply the chilled juice with a cotton ball to the tanned areas and let it work its magic for 20 minutes. Rinse with cold water and repeat daily. Number 6. Gram flour and milk. Gram flour, or besan, has been a skincare favorite in traditional Indian beauty rituals. This natural exfoliant removes dead skin cells, dirt, and impurities that cling to your skin after prolonged sun exposure. When mixed with milk, which contains lactic acid, the paste becomes a gentle yet effective scrub to remove tan. This remedy not only lightens your skin tone, but also improves its texture, making it feel softer and smoother. It's ideal for those who want quick results without resorting to chemical treatments. Take 2 tablespoons of gram flour, a pinch of turmeric, and enough milk to form a thick paste. Apply it evenly, allow it to dry, and then scrub it off with lukewarm water. Use this mask twice a week for the best results. Number 5. Tomato pulp. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals caused by sun exposure. Beyond fighting UV damage, tomatoes have natural bleaching properties that lighten tan skin and even out your complexion. The best part? It's a one-ingredient remedy that's as simple as it is effective. Mash a ripe tomato into a pulp and apply it generously to the tanned areas. You'll feel an instant cooling sensation, which is perfect for sunburned skin. Leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing with cold water. Add a teaspoon of honey to the tomato pulp for extra hydration. This combination not only reduces tanning, but also leaves your skin soft and supple. Number 4. Potato juice. Potatoes may be unassuming, but their juice packs a punch when it comes to tan removal. Rich in catecholase, an enzyme known for its skin-lightening properties, potatoes effectively fade dark spots and pigmentation caused by sun exposure. They're also full of vitamin C, which brightens and nourishes your skin. Grate a raw potato, extract its juice, and apply it directly to your tan skin. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse with lukewarm water. With regular use, you'll notice a significant reduction in your tan and a brighter, more even complexion. Number 3. Papaya and honey. Papaya is more than just a delicious fruit. It's a skincare superstar. Its enzyme, papain, gently exfoliates your skin, removing dead cells and reducing tan. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural humectant that locks in moisture and leaves your skin feeling velvety smooth. When combined, these two ingredients form a powerhouse mask that not only removes tan, but also improves your skin's overall texture. Apply this mixture twice a week, and you'll soon notice a radiant glow that screams vacation ready. Number 2. Sandalwood and coconut water. Sandalwood has been cherished for centuries in Ayurvedic practices for its unparalleled ability to calm and rejuvenate the skin. Its natural cooling properties make it ideal for soothing sunburns and reducing the appearance of sun-induced pigmentation. Coconut water, on the other hand, is a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, which brightens and nourishes the skin, leaving it hydrated and supple. When combined, these two ingredients create a luxurious, spa-like treatment you can enjoy from the comfort of your home. To prepare, mix 2 tablespoons of sandalwood powder with enough coconut water to form a smooth paste. Apply it evenly to your skin, letting the paste dry as it works its magic by absorbing excess oil and calming inflamed areas. Rinse it off with cold water to reveal skin that feels refreshed, nourished, and visibly brighter. This natural remedy not only targets tanning, but also promotes an even, radiant complexion over time, making it a holistic solution for sun-damaged skin. Number 1. Oatmeal and buttermilk. Oatmeal isn't just for a hearty breakfast. It's your skin's best friend when it comes to gentle exfoliation. Packed with saponins, oatmeal acts as a natural cleanser, effectively removing dead skin cells, dirt, and impurities. Its soothing properties also make it a fantastic remedy for sunburns and inflamed skin, reducing redness and irritation. On the other hand, buttermilk is a powerhouse of lactic acid, which helps to lighten pigmentation and smoothen rough patches while hydrating your skin deeply. When combined, this duo works wonders to repair sun-damaged skin and restore its natural glow. To create this simple yet effective remedy, mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with 3 tablespoons of buttermilk to form a thick paste. Massage it gently onto your skin in circular motions to stimulate blood circulation and enhance exfoliation. Let it sit for 15 minutes, allowing the nutrients to penetrate your skin, before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. This remedy is not only ideal for regular use, but also provides visible, long-lasting results, leaving your skin softer, brighter, and healthier with each application. And there you have it, your ultimate video to kicking that stubborn tan to the curb. If you found these remedies helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more skin-saving hacks. Let's glow together, because life's too short for uneven tans and boring skincare routines.